2 minutes you can create a thumbnail for your YouTube channel, and this thumbnail will be eye-catchy and clickable thumbnails, not thumbnails that people will not start scrolling past your videos. No, these thumbnails will be so eye-catchy, and you can achieve that using Chatgpt. You don't have to stress yourself learning, oh, how can I learn? Please, can you teach me how to create thumbnails? I don't know how to design. I'm not somebody that design all that. See, let's get into the video. I'm teaching you how to create thumbnails from scratch using Chatgpt, just with prompts. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to start editing. Oh, take this one here, take that one here. So my screen is already recording and you'll be seeing it now. Let's go ahead. So you ask Chatgpt, say, create a YouTube thumbnail for my video. You create an eye-catchy and clickable. You prompt it very well. Clickable YouTube thumbnail for my video. Title is how to create a okay, let me just say title is create a YouTube thumbnail with Chatgpt in 2 minutes. Okay, title is create a YouTube thumbnail with Chatgpt, or how to create a YouTube Chatgpt. Okay, how to create a YouTube thumbnail with Chatgpt, or create a YouTube chat. Let me use the how to. Title is how to create. I just try to use short words. Create a YouTube thumbnail with Chatgpt in 2 minutes. Okay, let me go that 2 minutes so that it will not be so crowded. So let's go. Create an eye-catchy and clickable YouTube thumbnail for my video. Title is how to create a thumbnail with Chatgpt. Size should be 16:9. That is the size of YouTube videos. Landscape. So let's go. You are, thank God you are in this video and you are watching it. It's creating image. 1, 2, let's be counting it to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. Are you counting with me? See, this is what I use to create my YouTube thumbnail, and it's so eye-catchy. Even vidIQ rated my thumbnail 88%. That means like the thumbnail is eye-catchy and clickable. That means if people see, they want to click on it. That is just it. So you can achieve it with Chatgpt. Stop stressing yourself using different apps to create thumbnail. Just go to Chatgpt now and create an eye-catchy thumbnail. Okay, you have seen it now. How to create a YouTube thumbnail with Chatgpt, and it even put a surprise. Oh God, this is so lovely. So so you can just download it and use to create your app. Just put so don't you see it so eye-catchy? If you see this kind of thumbnail, once you click on it, you will click on it because it's so eye-catchy, so lovely, top notch. To make it even more real, let's add my picture to it and let's see what Chatgpt will create for us. So I want it to be more real, like more real. So I'm going to be adding a picture of myself to it. Though I don't have too much of my pictures on this phone, but let me see. Let me just add this one for the purpose of this teaching. Okay, let's try it out to make it more real. Let's see what Chatgpt will create for us. Adding my picture to it, so that you can change that mask picture to my picture, so that it's not have a form of originality. Yes, you can do this with free version of Chatgpt. Yes, you don't have to do it with the paid version. Take it time to create. Wow, oh my God, are you seeing it? See my face enter now. How to create a YouTube thumbnail with Chatgpt. In fact, this is the thumbnail I'm using for this video, and you'll be seeing it in this video. Just click on save and you can use it for your videos. Wow, this is unbelievable. If you're a content creator who has been monetized, or who is planning to be monetized, yes, I have a course that will teach you how to set up your payout account, from creating a TIN number and also creating a dollar account and also setting up your payout account. Those things are already embedded inside the course. So I'm teaching you how to set up your payout account, how to create a dollar account, and also how to create a TIN number. So do well to check the link in the comment section and get yours. Chatgpt have actually made things easier. Yes, it has made it easier for everybody. So you have no excuse not to be creating content. You have no excuse whatsoever. So will you be trying out this method? If yes, drop a yes in the comment section. Let me know. If this video was beneficial to you, do well to subscribe to this channel. This is Grow with Eno, and I'm teaching you little not techie skills that you need to use to grow yourself as a content creator and also as a business owner. So this channel is for you. You have to subscribe to this channel and like my videos. Thank you.